Hi lovelies, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you two methods how I made this delicious, yummylicious avocado pie. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. In a bowl, sieve in 1 kilogram of flour. Add in baking powder and salt. Then go ahead and mix to combine. Once done, crack in 1 egg and mix. Add in the butter. I'm using my clean hands to rub it with the flour until I get a crumbling texture. Once that is achieved, add in some milk to the flour mixture. Mix until dough is formed. Do not overmix. Once done, wrap the dough or cover and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. For the filling, in a bowl, pour in the diced avocado, shredded carrots, diced minced bell pepper, red onions, olive oil, lemon juice extracted from 1 lemon, oregano, black pepper, some salt to taste. Then mix to combine. Once that is done, you set it aside. Ripe avocados are a good idea for achieving this pie. Next, sprinkle some flour on your work surface. Place the dough and divide it into 2 parts. We are using 1 part for another method. Then go ahead and divide the other part into 7 pieces. We are dividing it just to make it easier to work with. Now, roll out the dough and place it on your meat pie cutter. Then place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the avocado mixture in the center. Cover and seal it close. If you don't have meat pie cutter, use a round object like a round pot or a plate. Cover to cut the dough into cycles. Then fill the middle with the avocado mixture and close using fork to seal edges. I repeated this process until I use up the dough. With a baking sheet, place the pies on the baking pan. So next, in a small bowl or plate, crack in 1 egg and add some milk. Mix to combine. Once that is done, you set it aside. We are going to be using it later. I gave it a little design using my kitchen knife. Yeah, but this is optional. Now, brush the pies with the beaten egg. Now we are done brushing the pie. It is time to bake. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it is golden color or it is well done. 25 minutes now. it is ready and looks so appetizing, guys. Yeah. Now let's open it up to see how the inside looks like. If the avocado turns more darker or not. Wow! It looks fresh and tasted super good and yummy-licious. And now we are done with the first method. We move to the second method using sandwich toaster. So let's move on. Divide the dough into some parts. Roll out each pieces with a rolling pin into a rectangular shape that will fit into the toaster. Once done, grease the plate of the toaster with oil or butter. Here I'm using olive oil. Now place the rolled out dough on the toaster. My dough was over, so I have to use my kitchen scissors to cut out the extra parts. Fill each hole with the avocado mixture. Once that is done, cover with other roll out dough. Make sure your toaster is off. Once you are done adding everything, close the lid of the toaster and turn it on. Now it is showing the red light. Once it starts showing the green, it is done. Yeah. Now let's check on the toaster. You can see the green light is now on. It is ready, guys. It is ready. Now take it off from the toaster. Cut into triangular pieces. Now let's open it up to see how the inside looks like. Wow, can you see? Guys, this avocado pie tasted so super delicious and yummy-licious. And that is my recipe for avocado pie. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in another recipe. Remain blessed. Bye.